Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well today. So my first colour is TLP Afterglow. TLP stands for this little piggy, for those of you who don't know, and they're pigments from fluid-art.co. And that's another TLP, that's Sea Glass, lovely frosty minty green. And this is one I've mixed up myself. It's Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black and Atelier Magenta. Makes a nice smoky purple. I encourage you to mix your own colours, both tube paints and pigments. It's nice to experiment and create your own colours. And that's TLP Zeus, lovely rich, deep, luscious gold. And TLP Hustle, which is neon magenta. And the last colour that I'm putting down is Liquitex Squash, fluorescent violet. That's that one. And I swiping today, my cell activator is Atelier Tinting Pearl Titanium White, which is the one I've used in my last few recently. And you can get your palette knives from Fluid.co, which is where you get your little pigments from. Little pigments. This little piggy pigments. oh, that's tickle me. Yeah, and they also sell they also sell Amsterdam paints now as well, a whole range. Little things amuse little minds. It's a 13-inch wood round that I'm working on today, and I'm also going to embellish it with some dried acrylic skins. Again, there's some that I've got left over from when I did my other two. I've kept them in a little tub with one of those little moisture sachets that you get with jewellery to stop them sticking together. And they're already cut out. I'd cut them out just freehand with scissors into petal shapes, and yeah, you'll see that what I do with that. So I will let you watch and put you some music on.
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying. The boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. Outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forgetting me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see it, and I to get through. And all you need is one sensation to get you on your feet. And all that I see is a lame temptation stapled on the road to greed. I heard that you finally sold your heroes, abandoned all your childhood dreams. Innocence ago, you said you'd never change the way you spend your days. But there are ways. And all you need is the one sensation to get you on your feet. And all that I see is a lame temptation stapled on the road to greed. I wanna get closer to you, closer to you. I wanna get closer to you. Yeah.
If you like this, please hit that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It's free and really help me out. I'd really appreciate it. And please share. And thank you all for the lovely comments that you leave. I really do appreciate you taking the time to leave me them. And as always, everything you'll find in the description box, everything that I've used will be listed in there, all my colours, where I get them from, etc. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you guys, bye.